So, I am kind of in the middle of a project. I didn't think to record the first part of it, but it involves this and it involves chickens. And Kayla's over here with her sickly cat. And Kayla's doing something with this. Stay tuned to find out that. Anyways, back to my project. Joe has assigned me to make chicken feeders before 2 o'clock because we gotta go move heifers over here in with the goats, I'm guessing. So I got this done here with the help of Kayla. 2 pieces on the side. Tape measure. So that. See if I can find something like that. Off I go. So, do you think this is a little bit overkill? Nah. Yeah, no, we're not doing that. This piece, wow. This piece is gonna be a side piece, I think. And then I gotta find something else. Anyways, let's see if this one is long enough. Yep. Good to go. Am I certified there for this? I don't know. Probably not, because I just tripped over a bunch of wood. Or fell over it, really. I don't know. You may be asking, what am I doing with this light? I have no clue. I just need a battery. Below. What? Ah! How does this thing work? I don't know. Talk to Joe about it.
You doing shop?
What?
Doing shop class?
No. It's called rigging class.
Rigging class?
Yeah. I mean, it's supposed to be a chicken feeder.
Hey, it never would. I mean,
Do you think the bottom piece is a little bit overkill?
well, it's oak,
Yeah.
but it so it won't rot away.
Yeah, that's true.
So there's that.
Yeah. And it's like also like 2 inches.
Yeah, it might be kind of a heavy feeder.
Hey, Joe told me to do this.
Hey,
The only problem is I gotta make 2.
two.
Yeah. the hardest part. Ah! Especially because I can't put pressure on it. Almost done this one. Let's just do that.
Nice.
Good to go. One more thing to do.
Nice.
It's gonna weigh more than the chicken coop.
Okay, as long as it stays together. It might be good to cut a tiny bit off of both ends because they're so weird.
Square it up.
Yeah, maybe. It's your project.
It was your fault that you
Why aren't
made.
you in school?
Because I got done.
It's a nice day out. Cool. My birds all appreciate it.
Something like that, and then put over here, and then put one in there, and then I'm done. And second one's always better. All right, and the finished product. Let's go give this to Jo and see if she can pick it up. It's gonna be heavy with food in it. Hey Jo, come pick this one up. Ooh, it's a good workout.
Yeah, I've got my workout for sure.
Not even full of feed.
Yeah, just imagine how heavy it's gonna be with that.
Maybe I'll stick it in that other one, and because that one I just slide it. I mean, even I could just slide it.
Yeah.
And it's not bad as long as it's sturdy enough that it won't break.
Or something, so they can't like roost on
Yeah.
it and poop in the food.
They're chickens. They're disgusting. They don't care if they poop in their food.
You're right,
Yeah.
they don't. I
Chickens
care.
chickens are disgusting. It'll work. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'll need another one in probably a week or two.
Yeah, I got another one prepped.
Oh, you do? I mean, hey.
I got all the materials over there, hopefully. Hear that, Chuck?
So we're here to get 3 heifers, load them up, and take them over to the other pasture. 3 little heifers. Clarence over there hears him. These girls are too young for you. do you think of your new friends?